Instagram Music is a fun way to make your stories and reels more interesting. In some scenarios, when posting a reel or a story, the music you want to use isn't working. Unfortunately, some users face this issue on regular basis, and in view of it, I'm sharing 9 easy quick fixes for Instagram Music. These are straightforward, so let's start with them. Often, after adding music to a reel, we either hear the reel audio or music and presume something is wrong with the app. Don't worry, when you add music, sometimes the app automatically turns down the volume level of the reel or the music to 0. Thus, it's better to check in Music Controls option if the volume levels of both audio are turned up. Here's an interesting Android tip you should try. The next tip is pretty simple to be true, but sometimes this method solves complex problems. Signing out and logging in again can be a good way to fix this issue. Go to your profile, in the top right corner, open the menu, then go to Settings, scroll down till the end and select the Logout option. Once you have logged out, sign in again and check if the problem has been fixed. Some users have reported that the music feature fails to work when they use a business account. To fix this, you can switch to either a creator or personal account. If it works there, then switch back to business account and then try again. You can do this by going in Settings, Account, go till the end and select Switch Account Type. Here, you'll find both creator and personal accounts. Music feature is available in many countries. However, there are some countries where Instagram Music doesn't work due to licensing limitations. If you are in such a location, you can try to access this feature by using a VPN that can sometimes help to bypass the geographical restrictions of a country. Do keep in mind that only few VPNs work with this method. If you are using an older version of Instagram, or if there's a bug in the latest version, there's a good chance that the music feature is not working correctly. The company regularly pushes out improvements or bug fixes through new updates, so make sure you keep your app up to date either manually or enable auto update apps feature in the app market, which will automatically do it whenever the latest version is released. If there's no update available, try out the next fix. Reinstalling the app is one of the most recommended methods when everything else fails, as this solves almost all kinds of issues that you were facing. For iOS users, simply deleting the app will remove all the cache and other data. Whereas for Android users, go in Settings, select the Instagram app, first remove all the cache and data and then uninstall the app, which should remove all traces. Once done, install the app from the app market and hopefully your issue should be resolved. If you're an iOS user, you can skip this part. Android users should check in the Play Store account if they haven't signed up for the beta version of the app. Such version gives early access to upcoming features and improvements. However, the app will have bugs and be unstable than the normal version of the app. Thus, exit the program and reinstall the app as you get the non-developer version. You can find this option below the app. In the past few years, the platform has seen a number of service outages as in the servers go offline, therefore impacting certain features of the app. If you've ever had this experience, you may want to check if the platform is online or not by going to this website called Website Planet, where they offer a free tool called Is Your Website Down Right Now that checks all kinds of websites if they're up and running or not. I'll add the link to this tool in the description. Go ahead and try this out. If you still can't fix your issue, then the best option would be to contact Instagram support team. They can help you out with anything, especially keeping your OS and device in mind. Navigate to Settings, select Help, report a problem, and type in your query and send a screenshot of your issue. That'll be all for now. I hope this video helped to address your music feature issue. If you know a better way to solve this problem, we would love to hear about it in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care and bye.